In an uphill camping situation, if you're having trouble with stabilizing your RV or camper trailer, EMUK Air-Lift pads could be your solution. These sturdy pads can support up to 11 tons and give your vehicle an extra boost of 20 centimeters. Thanks to their ribbed surface, slipping is no longer a concern, even on highly uneven terrain. You can quickly inflate the pads with a standard hand pump, and each pad is available for $276. Being a very convenient outdoor gear, the Tanky is a pioneering portable shower with an impressive 25-liter capacity and an integrated battery. The design boasts a substantial 10 amp-hour battery that ensures it stays powered for several weeks after just one full charge. Not only that, but Tanky also doubles as a charging hub with its handy USB ports. You can enjoy the convenience of a shower that heats up from the sun's energy. Plus, it retains warmth for an extended period of 3 to 4 hours. Pre-orders for Tanky starts at just $244. Considering the fact that people are willing to invest over $200 on a portable shower, it's apparent they would have sufficient funds for an upgraded version, like the ENSUITE. This variant enhances the showering experience by introducing a groundwork of bamboo slats that hides the underlying water gathering system. Not only does the bamboo base increase comfort compared to bare ground, but it also allows for the wastewater to be reused or removed. The ENSUITE model carries a price tag of $251. Paxis became the first ones to reinvent the backpack industry. Their method of taking a traditional backpack and enhancing it with a swingable lower section is a simple yet innovative tweak that lets them price their invention at $230. This swinging section can hold up to 5 pounds of items, while the backpack as a whole boasts a capacity of 30 liters. It's designed with both external and internal pockets, a well-ventilated back and a supportive waist strap, much like other backpacks out there. What sets Paxis apart is their unique patents on their backpacks. Hats off to them for this simple yet genius idea. For some reason, this cooler isn't gaining traction on Kickstarter, which is surprising given its ingenuity. It has a unique quality that allows it to keep things cool without the need for ice or electricity. All it needs is simple clean water. The inside temperature of the cooler mysteriously reduces to 10 to 20 degrees Fahrenheit less than the outside environment. This is achieved due to a resourceful material aptly named Phase Tech. This special component draws heat away once it comes into contact with water. Now, isn't that smart? If you're interested, a 60-liter cooler is available at a price of $140. Who says you can't eat high-class good food while on a camping trip? This can be made possible with the Aquaforno, an all-in-one stove that is essentially a 3-tiered culinary tower. Each section is packed with features such as a boiler, a grill, a smoker, an oven, and even a rotisserie. While each tier has its unique functionality, when they are stacked together, they create a sturdy cooking tower weighing 18 kilograms or 40 pounds. One of the most appealing aspects of this impressive device is its simplicity of assembly, which requires just a few minutes. It's versatile too, running on multiple fuel sources such as wood briquettes, charcoal, or peas. It's no surprise that it clinched the Camping Product of the Year award in 2017. Given its extraordinary features, you might find the $500 price tag justifiable. Get ready to say goodbye to your boring old tent and say hello to the THEDOOKAN. Transcending the simplicity of a typical tent, it evolves into a double-layered habitation that is complete with canopies and hammocks. Its level of comfort and amenity surpasses any conventional tent, making it more comparable to an opulent loft or a grand penthouse. A standout feature of the THEDOOKAN is its simple assembly mechanism that enables a single person to assemble it within a quarter of an hour. It has adequate space for 4 occupants, and its universal supports make it adaptable to a variety of landscapes. This includes snow-covered areas and shallow waters. The frame of the THEDOOKAN can withstand up to 660 pounds of weight, and the hammocks and frames can also be used independently. Nevertheless, the luxury of the THEDOOKAN comes with a lofty price tag of $2,750, even after a discount. You may come across several inflatable structures that allow for a magical camping experience. However, a more appealing and practical choice is the Cave XL tent by HEIMPLANET. Unlike those struggling with the setup process of inflatable castle-like tents, owners of the Cave XL will have their tent ready in less than a minute. Designed to accommodate 3 people, this tent only weighs about 11 pounds and can be compactly packed into a case, making it ideal for backpacking. At a price of $1,200, the Cave XL promises a streamlined camping experience. So, do you perceive this as a smart solution or not? Now, let's discuss this multifunctional blower that can be utilized for various tasks, such as igniting a fire or maintaining heat in your grill. It even includes a steel attachment, which is useful for rotating firewood. With a lightweight design of 251 grams, it's easy to operate using just one hand. The blower's 58-centimeter length makes it ideal for larger grills and campfires. To operate, you'll need 2 AA batteries that will last for approximately 2 hours. This blower is available for purchase at just $65. Well, that's going to be it for today. If you find this video entertaining, then drop a like and do subscribe for more similar content like this.